Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying to make some soap slime. And this is actually the first time I tried this. I think I've tried it 3 times. I don't know if I've tried it on my channel, but yeah. Well, let me get started. Oh shit, okay. So, let's go. So the soap that I'll be using is this Alorax soap. And it is orange scent, so hopefully it turns scented. ASMR. That's so funny. So why don't we just get started? Let's go. So I got my plate now, and I'm gonna start to mix. I'm gonna mix with this knife salt. It ain't even sharp, so yeah. Just don't mix with the knife, probably. I'm pouring some, not that much. Hopefully it makes some slime. Probably not, but I'm gonna get my hands watered, you know what? So guys, I'll be right back. Guys, a little update. Please like, subscribe, and comment. A lot of y'all comment, and I know one of y'all that commented on my video. But yeah, please like, comment, and share with your friend. Hi, Ariana. My cousin's out here watching me. But yeah, please like and comment. My cousin just said hi. Hi, Ariana. So why don't we just back into the video. So yeah, if y'all did that, please thanks, and I'll go and get my slime. So I got it, and I'm just gonna mix this for a little bit to mix fuzzy bubbles. And I'll bring baking soda. I have some baking soda now. Hasn't been opened, but actually has. Just poured some right there. Okay, guys, I'm probably not gonna be able to make slime, but I don't care. Doesn't make slime. It doesn't make slime. So I have this salt. It's sea salt. I don't know if this big chunk would work. It's not really texturing a little. Should I use like another soap? Guys, if this doesn't work, just please comment what soap I should use. Oh shoot. And guys, I'm sorry if y'all hear like a dog barking. My dog's in the garage and I can't put him in here because my dad's allergic to dogs. Well, half allergic. Like, he's not gonna like have to go to the hospital, but like he gets itchy when he's around them, so I can't really put him in my dog in here. But I did put him in the garage, but it's snowing outside. We did put a whole bunch of heaters in there, so he's warm. It's super warm in there, like super duper warm. I can't even pronounce it. It's probably hotter than my house, but I may try and at least put one fan for it can be an average amount. So guys, as you can see, this texture is like slime already. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'll be right back. But while we're doing this, while we're putting this in the fridge, I'm gonna make another batch, and I'm just gonna put this in a container, so I'll be right back. So as y'all know, I'm freaking ghetto as heck. I don't have time to go and buy a container. So I'm gonna use a freaking Lunchable container. I use this one. For y'all can see me pour it in. I did make sure I will give this a wash before I even put this in there, because it'll turn super sticky. So that's my first batch going into the fridge. I'll take y'all with me. So let's go. To speed up the process, I'm gonna put it in my freezer. I'm just gonna put it right here. someone in place. Oh shoot. Okay, I just got it. There it is. Okay, I'll be right back. So guys, I am back where I set my camera up. Oops, just dropped my mic. Guys, so I am recording with my phone, exclusive. I'm not gonna wash the soap off. It's on there. It's on there. I'm just playing it. I am. So I'll be right back. I am back, and I'm gonna go and get my soap. Oh my gosh, why do I keep on forgetting stuff? So I'll be right back again. So next soap I have is this soap. This is how it looks. I'll be using this soap. This is soap number 2. About that much because this is pretty much big soap. So as you can see, it's already slime-like. But when I put baking soda, it changes like into a whole water texture. And water does not really phase this type of soap. Oh my gosh. Guys, my dog keeps on barking. I'm sorry if y'all like hear that, but so I only pour a little bit of baking soda. It'll start turning like slime-like. For some reason. Oh. Still kind of sticky. So pour a little more. And once you're done doing that, I'm gonna pour some salt on top of it. So I should have used like a different plate for this, and now I'll just put this in my container. And don't mix it or do anything with it because just you guys out ruined it. So guys, these are all like baking soda slimes. So exclusive all baking soda basically. I'm gonna be putting in them. Baking soda, just baking soda. And another exclusive is only salt and a little bit of water. So I don't know if y'all can really see that, but I just put some baking soda. So why don't we go and put this in number 2 container, so I'll be right back. So I got my other container and I'm about to put it in. So guys, make sure y'all don't try to mix this. I'm just trying to scrape this off. Oh my gosh, my dog does not like staying in the garage. He'd rather be outside than stay in the garage. I don't know. Buddy, you weird. So guys, I'm gonna put this in and then I'll come back with y'all because I'm only making 2 batches. See which one is the best. Oh, this soap or this one. So I'll be right back. Let's go. So guys, the 30-minute timer just got set and I'll be right back with y'all once the 30-minute timer is done. Now guys, I know that y'all like this funny thing of me. I don't even know what the heck is funny, but it doesn't matter. So like I said, it doesn't matter. So guys, comment down below if y'all have a PS4 because I do. And guys, look at it. It's snowing outside. Told y'all it's snowing. There's like so much sticks on my yard. Guys, I'm gonna go outside, so let's go. Just to tell y'all, don't mind my ghetto shoes. Let's go. Ooh, it's chilly outside. Let's touch. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but like, there's like some snowflakes falling everywhere. Guys, look at the stick. It's like covered in snow. Oh, watch. Ah! Oh, That's freaking cold. There's like some slime on this truck, so. I mean snow, I said slime. Oh shoot, y'all got snow on y'all. Oh no, it's melting. Oh my gosh, my phone's gonna break. Oi. Oh my gooey. Guys, so I don't know, but if y'all could see this, this is incredible. Guys, people have to drive so slow where I live because literally the roads are all covered in ice. So why don't we do just like a little TikTok? We shoot. No, they're not. Oh, yeah, they are. Woo! Don't mind my ghetto shoes. And me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Fun play. But guys, you can literally ice skate on my freaking street. Oops. Phrase. So guys, but I don't know about y'all, but wherever y'all live, if it's snowing, comment. Do not comment. But yeah, please comment. But guys, I made this big hole. Now there's freaking pounds of snow. This is just so incredible. Oh my gosh, it goes in my shoe, but this is just so incredible. How cool it is. Guys, like y'all can see my footsteps. I don't feel like getting down to the ground and doing like a freaking snow angel. Because last time I remember it freezing. Guys, I don't know if y'all can see this, but like, yeah. It's just so cool. Guys, look at this. This looks so pretty for slow-mo. Like this, look. Look, watch. Hopefully y'all like that slow-mo. Oh shoot. Hopefully y'all like my ugly self. Playing do not. But yeah, dang freaking wreck. They over there driving so fast. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in all my ghetto shoes. Whew. It's cold. I'm gonna switch y'all up. Oh shoot, I can't even barely take off my oh my gosh. My dad's gonna get so mad. Hopefully this fades. Let's go for my ghetto jacket. Alright. I just took off my ghetto jacket. Now let's go and check the slimes. So guys, I just set y'all up and I'm going to check my slimes. Alright. So this one, I don't know how to comment this. Oh shoot, guys, somebody's like opening my door in my house. Oh shoot. So guys, I did today. Oh my gosh, guys, can y'all not see this? Guys, this is like, I never thought this would work. Guys, this isn't like really slimy, but let's just play with it. Oh my gosh, can y'all not see this? Literally slimy texture. I'm gonna get y'all down for y'all can hear more. Oh shoot. Alright, here's my mic. Shh, I'm trying to do an ASMR. Guys, I don't know what to say. This was freaking good. Okay, but now just noted, so hope y'all like and subscribe this video. Please comment. I don't even know what to do with my hands anymore. Y'all know I'm so ghetto. Oh my god, I just dirtied my whole counter. But now let's see the orange. The orange one's not the like slime texture at all, but that's alright. Right? Okay, I'm gonna just wash my hair. So guys, hopefully y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully y'all like this video. So bye. Please like and subscribe and comment. Bye.